Most people think moving to the UK is getting impossible. Fees are rising, rules are changing, and the dream feels like it's slipping away. But what if I told you that in 2026, Scotland is actually paying people to bridge their labour gap? Whether it's a £5,000 grant for teachers, a massive push for social care workers, or the green list of high-paying tech and engineering roles, Scotland needs you. Today, I'm showing you the exact pathways to get a work visa, find an A-rated sponsor, and potentially get your relocation costs covered. The Scottish government isn't just handing out bags of cash at the airport. When we say, get paid to move, we're talking about 3 specific incentives active right now. The International Relocation Payment, IRP. If you are a teacher in physics or languages, the government is offering up to £10,000 in 2 installments to cover your visa and moving costs. The Displaced Worker Scheme, specifically for the social care sector. Scotland just reinvested £500,000 to help employers cover the costs of hiring international staff. Employer relocation packages. Because of the labour shortage, many Scottish firms in Aberdeen, Energy, and Glasgow, Tech, are now offering bonuses or relocation stipends to stay competitive. Visa rules. To get there, you need the skilled worker visa. And you need to meet the requirements, which includes the salary threshold. For most roles, you need to earn at least £41,700. The discount roles, if your job is on the Immigration Salary List, ISL, or you're a new entrant, under 26 or a recent graduate, that threshold can drop to £33,400. English language. As of early 2026, the requirement is now CFR Level B2 for most new applicants. That's roughly an IELTS 5.5 to 6.5. The sponsor, your employer must be an A-rated, licensed sponsor. Top 3 sectors hiring now. Don't just apply anywhere. Focus on where the demand is highest to increase your visa odds. Healthcare and social care. Look for health and care worker visas. They have lower fees and faster processing. Check NHS Scotland jobs, they are the largest employer in the country. The green list, engineering, renewable energy, wind power is huge here, and specialized tech. Salaries here often exceed £50,000. Education, as mentioned, if you teach STEM or languages, you are gold. If you're serious, do these 3 things today. Step 1, filter your job search. Use Indeed UK or read and type visa sponsorship or relocation package in the location, Scotland. Step 2, update your CV to the UK format. No photos, no birth dates, just skills and impact. Step 3, check the official licensed sponsor list. I've put the link in the description. If the company isn't on that list, they cannot give you a visa. Scotland is beautiful, the quality of life is incredible, and right now, they are looking for people like you to help build their future. If you want me to create a list of the top 50 Scottish companies currently hiring with visa sponsorship, drop a comment saying Scotland below, and I'll make a follow-up video. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss my next update on countries currently offering visa sponsorship jobs. If you're planning on moving abroad, make sure to watch this video on the screen.